What if you could own a luxury home that can travel anywhere? From busy city streets to remote mountain trails, today we're taking a full tour of this incredible 6'6" luxury expedition motorhome that's packed with premium features, rugged capability, and a stunning modern interior. Stay until the end because this RV has some amazing surprises you won't want to miss. Welcome back to the channel. If you're passionate about luxury motorhomes, off-grid adventures, and high-end RV living, you're in the right place. In today's video, we'll explore every part of this incredible expedition motorhome, including the exterior, interior, and much more. Let's get started with the exterior walk-around. The front design immediately makes a bold impression. It features an aggressive grille, stylish LED headlights, a heavy-duty off-road bumper, roof-mounted LED light bar, and massive all-terrain tires. The high ground clearance and powerful truck chassis make this motorhome capable of handling almost any road or terrain while maintaining a premium, luxury appearance. Moving to the back, the design is both practical and stylish. You'll notice the strong rear construction, integrated storage compartments, utility access panels, and a clean, modern finish. Every detail has been carefully designed for long-distance travel and extended off-grid adventures. From the rear angle, you can clearly appreciate the powerful dual rear axles, reinforced suspension system, and impressive body length. This heavy-duty setup provides excellent stability, increased carrying capacity, and greater confidence when driving on rough terrain or steep mountain roads. Looking at the full side profile, this luxury motorhome truly showcases its impressive size. The large panoramic windows allow plenty of natural light inside, while the slide-out section creates a much larger living space when parked. Multiple exterior storage compartments provide enough room for camping equipment, outdoor furniture, and travel essentials. From above, this motorhome reveals an impressive collection of premium equipment. The roof is equipped with solar panels, roof vents, air conditioning units, satellite equipment, and additional storage options. These features make it perfect for extended, off-grid living while remaining completely self-sufficient. Stepping inside the driver's cockpit, you'll find a modern cabin designed for both comfort and control. The ergonomic seats, multifunction steering wheel, large digital displays, premium dashboard, advanced navigation system, and wide windshield provide excellent visibility and a relaxing driving experience. Even during long road trips, the interior feels more like a luxury apartment than a traditional RV. Premium wood finishes, elegant LED ambient lighting, comfortable leather seating, modern furniture, and high-quality materials create a warm and welcoming atmosphere. Every inch of space has been designed to maximize comfort and functionality. The bedroom offers a peaceful and comfortable retreat after a long day of travel. A large queen-size bed, stylish overhead cabinets, soft lighting, premium mattress, and spacious wardrobes provide everything needed for restful nights while exploring the open road. The bathroom features a modern residential-style design with a spacious shower, stylish sink, premium vanity, mirror, high-quality toilet, and smart storage compartments. Despite being inside a motorhome, it delivers the comfort and convenience of a luxury home bathroom. The kitchen is fully equipped for everyday cooking. It includes solid countertops, a modern sink, induction cooktop, microwave, refrigerator, overhead cabinets, and plenty of storage space. Whether you're preparing a quick breakfast or a full dinner, this kitchen has everything you need. This luxury expedition motorhome perfectly combines off-road capability with premium comfort, making it an ideal choice for travelers who want freedom without sacrificing luxury. If you enjoyed this full tour, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more amazing luxury RV and motorhome tours. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.